Well, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Android phone if you forgot the password or PIN. So the easiest way to do this is simply just scroll on down and go to power and turn off your phone. So let's do this now. And I'm just going to be using a Google Pixel and a Samsung phone under this example. Now your Samsung is going to be quite a bit more complicated than your other phone. So with my normal Google Pixel phone, I'm just going to go to the power button now that is turned off, and then the volume down. So it could be a combination of power button, volume down. If your phone turns on, just switch the process and go to the power button, volume up. So let's try power button, volume down, and just hold this down now. And then I'm instantly into the recovery screen. Then I can scroll on down. I'm going to use the volume buttons, and I'm going to go to recovery mode and tap this. So if you see this option now, it says no command or something like that. I think you just have to hold down the power button, tap volume up, and then you can see the recovery options under here. Just go on down to where it says wipe data and factory reset. So that's how you do it with that phone. Now with your Samsung phone, it's going to be a little more complicated. The phone has to be turned off. Then you need to plug in a cable here directly from your computer or laptop. And then you have to hold the power button and volume up. So this is going to be the opposite of your other phone. And it looks like the phone is turning on and it's already in the recovery screen. So sometimes it's not going to boot directly into the recovery screen. You have to let go of these two buttons if it's not doing anything after 10 to 15 seconds, and then just press them down again. So now that we have this recovery screen up, this one's a little bit easier since we don't have to, tap it for no command, etc. Just going down to where it says wipe data and factory reset. Right here, tap the power button. And then go to factory data reset. Now this cannot be undone, so it's going to wipe everything off your phone. But hopefully you have some sort of cloud backup or storage on Google or Samsung. And you shouldn't lose too much information if that's the case. You just have to sign back in with your password and you should be able to back your phone up and recover everything. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.